now you're going to hit your sister. Good job. All right, we'll go all the way back the other way. Ready? Hold on. Go ahead, baby. Wait, hold on. Let's turn it all the way this way. Now, if you go straight, we'll have a long walk.
This sounds like a super big problem. And a super big problem is us, the super readers. We need to call the rest of the super readers. Call them with me. Say, calling all super readers.
Yay, baby! Good job! You want to keep going? Okay, let me turn you around. Go ahead, baby. Go. Hold on, we gotta face you this way. Go. You keep getting into jams here. Go ahead. That way.
Princess P at your service. And you, say your name.
You getting tired?
Great. We're all
Good job, baby.